Weezy out of here. Weezy out of here. Weezy out of here.
Travel all over the world, running into nasty girls. Pulling her curls, fucking me a nasty girl.
Yo, so we just pulled up to the gas station, and gas is how much, fam?
193.
Excuse me? You wanna pick on the bridge?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, me too. But in van.
Well, y'all are on a vlog, by the way, so.
Hey.
Oh, we're vlogging right now?
Yeah, we're on the vlog. Let's go. What's up?
Oh, y'all are trying to find the wooden ones, eh?
I thought it was gonna
maybe
be like
if you keep
that.
walking and we'll see something.
Bro, I thought it was gonna be like you rocked and shit, you know? I was gonna be like, ah.
This is nothing.
Moving so fast.
Okay, the other one, the one where you had to pay $50, you maybe better.
Why? Shaky, boss. Holy fuck.
I know you're scared.
Holy fuck. Jeez. Yo.
Trippin' and crazy girls, I bought a shit name pearls, yeah. I tip and make a twist and twirl, I promise baby everything thorough, yeah. She freaking from the passenger seat, sure they want a second when I speak. She only wanna follow when I leave, love how I keep a bankroll neat. Yeah, gonna wanna got it at the street, niggas just like honey really sweet. Yeah, I just let the difference on fleek, 100 for opponents in my teeth. When I try that shit, they gonna put it on repeat. Better play somebody else cause we gonna defeat. Pull up, spin the block, we leaving everyone deceased. Fucking on your wife because she like.
Ah, this is blessed. This?
I do this all day, bro. I could hop
And
on
this shit?
I could go up for time if it was like this.
Fucking on your wife because she like it when we creep. Bigger than nobody, got her bustin' on the sheets. If she like it nasty, so I call her freak elite. I'ma play my music while I stroke her to the beat. Fuck her like a beast. I hit like a G, I'm pulling on the weed. Baby, take a look at the seed, make a nigga smoke a lot of weed. The one with a 6 or a G, got a nigga high as you can be. These rappers getting fly as they can be, you never would be flyin' to me. Travel all over the world, running into nasty girls. Pulling her curls, fucking me a nasty girl, yeah. She's trippin' and crazy girls, I bought a shit name pearls, yeah.
What do these do?
So they're gonna control this black fin thing at the back here.
All right.
It's a rudder, so like you press on the pedal, it turns.
Okay, let me try.
That's how you steer. So you press on your right one,
And then I'll
or yeah, your left one.
All right. I normally do it without it. That's why.
Yo, this guy flipped over, fam. This guy over there.
He's on the standing one, bro. Make sure the pedals are facing
No, I feel like I'm gonna fucking tip.
Just do Werner.
Shit, tossy turning or what?
Nah.
What time is it right now?
What up, what up, what up?
What's going on, guys?
It's good. It's good, it's good.
Good.
Yes,
What
sir.
you do, you know, kayaking and van.
You get me.
You know the vibes.
Got the vibes.
T-Dot Globetrotter.
It be.
I tip and make a twist and twirl, I promise baby everything thorough, yo. I got this pretty dime on the knees, I heard you pay the dime, you just squeeze. I heard your old man an OG, heard he used to ride with Joey the Breeze. Can't win fair and square, you gotta cheat, put that pussy on that nigga night geek. I see that you got love for the freak, I know why you in love with this freak. Barely having time, I try to fuck her through the week. I'm never spending time and she ain't never thinking deep. I hire freaking bitches, they don't gotta have degrees. I'm young and always know to keep it tricky in my sleeve. They started to do too much, I had to tell a nigga freeze. I'm running millions up now, I can't never get no sleep. If daughter let me fucking, now they had to pay a fee. She got a baby breaking in, it didn't come from me.
What's good? We out here in the streets of Van City. You know what I'm saying? It's poppin'.
You know the vibe.
Yeah, yo, you know, it's living life. It's cool out here. Lots of mountains, adventurous hikes, good food, seafood if you eat that. You know, good vibes. Peace. We out here in Gastown right now. Checking out the areas and shit.
Hey, buddy.
You know the vibe. Gastown thing. Gastown, no gas here.
Is last day.
Last day vibe. Leaving tomorrow night. Or tomorrow during the day.
Probably like a rivalry thing.
Hopefully you catch our flight and shit, you know what I mean? That's what it is.
We're sorry. You have reached a number that has been disconnected or is no longer in service. If you feel you have reached this recording in error, please check the number and try your call again.
Yeah, I told her to put a camera. She wanna take it on camera.